Okay, students, now let us take the another numerical problem. What is this problem? Three resistors 2 ohm, 4 ohm and 5 ohm are combined in parallel. तीन रेजिस्टेंस है कितना? दो 2 ओम का, 4 ओम का, 5 ओम का, वो कनेक्टेड है पैरेलल में. ओके, व्हाट इज द इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द कॉम्बिनेशन? क्या होगा? ऑलरेडी वी हैव, पहले आपको सर्किट देख लें. हेयर देयर आर थ्री रेजिस्टेंसेस connected in parallel. Okay, these are connected in parallel. Value of this one is R1 equal to 2, R2 equal to 4 and R3 equal to 5. Okay, these are connected in parallel. Then what should be its equivalent resistance? What we know? We know that 1 by Rp. We have already determined. We have derived the formula. What was that? Reciprocal of equivalent resistance will be equal to the sum of reciprocal of all the resistances. Okay, we have derived this. I have already derived this one. Then now let us take the values. 1, R1 is what? 2, R2 is what? 1, 4 and R3 is what? That is 5. Now 1 by Rp is equal to what? Let us take LCM. What is the LCM? Here LCM is 20. Then 20 divided by 2, that is 10 into 1, 10 plus 4, 20 divided by 4, that is 5 into 1, 5 and 5, 20 divided by 5, that is 4 into 1, 4. Now what is this one? 10 plus 5, 15 plus 4, 90 by 20. Then reciprocal of this will be 1 by Rp equal to 90 by 20. Then Rp will be what? 20 by 90 ohm. This is the answer of your first question. Okay, now let us see the second case. Okay, second case देखें क्या है. If the combination is connected to a battery of EMF 20 volt, इसको क्या कर दें? combination को हम लोग 20 volt के बैटरी से कनेक्ट कर देंगे. Okay, this combination, if the combination is connected to a battery of EMF 20 volt, इस combination को क्या कर दिया? 20 volt के बैटरी से जोड़ दिया. ठीक है, and having negligible internal resistance, इसका आपका बैटरी का कोई रेजिस्टेंस नहीं है. डिटरमिन द करंट थ्रू ईच रजिस्टर, मतलब आपका इस रेजिस्टेंस के थ्रू करंट क्या जा रहा है. आप क्या हम लोग लिए थे कि करंट पासिंग थ्रू दिस सर्किट इज व्हाट? दैट इज I, and current passing through this resistor was I1, through this was I2 and this was I3. Okay, then we have to find out, determine the current or through each resistor. It means I1 equal to what? We have to determine the value of I1, I2 and I3. ये तीनों के थ्रू करंट कितना होगा वो निकालिए. And the total current drawn from the battery. Total current drawn from the battery is what? I. And we have to find out the value of I. Okay, where here there are three resistance connected in parallel of 2, 4, 5 and current passing through these are I1, I2, I3. Then we have to find out the value of I1, I2 and 3, and the total current is what? That is I which is being divided in 3 parts, then we have to find out the value of I. Here we have to find out the value of all the currents I1, I2, I3 and I. Now let us take here what we get here. Potential drop across each is same because this is connected in parallel. Then I1 will be what? That will be V by R1. Okay? Okay? Then what is the value of this? V. V is what? That is 20 by R1. R1 is 2. That is 20 by 2 means 10 ampere. This value is what? First answer is yours. That is 10 ohm, 10 ampere. Then I2 is what? I2 is V by R2. V is what? That is 20. And R2 is what? That is 4. So 4 divided by 20, that is 5. 4, 5 ja 20. This is your 5 ampere. Okay. Now come at I3. I3 is what? That is V by R3. Here V is 20 and R3 is 5. Then 5 by 20, 5 4 ja 20. This is your 4 ampere. Okay. Then these are the 3 currents. Current I1 is passing through this, having value 10 ohm, 10 ampere. Current passing through the second resistor of 4 ohm is 5 ohm ampere, and current passing through the third resistance 5 ohm is equal to 4 ampere. Okay. Now we have to find out the value of total current I. Then what we get here? I is equal to, I has been divided in 3 parts. This means I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. That is what? I1 is 10 ampere, I2 is of 5 ampere, I1 10, I2 5, and I3 is 4 ampere. That is 10 plus 5 plus 4, that is 19 ampere. This is your final current. 10 ampere through 2 ohm, 5 ampere through 4 ohm resistance, 4 ampere through 5 ohm resistance, and total current is 19 ampere. Okay. In next classes I will explain some more numerical problems related with current electricity. Okay.